how to fix Snapchat is not working. So yeah guys, let's start the video. Let's fix this issue. If you facing the issue Snapchat is not working in your mobile phone, so guys, there is a multiple way to fix this issue. So first of all, open the settings if you are on Android. So after that, you will find the apps option. You're gonna tap on it, and once you open the apps option, you will find the Snapchat. Here you're gonna tap the Snapchat like this. I find it. So yeah guys, so once you tap on it, and it will give you the such kind of interface like mobile data, screen time, or permissions, notifications, etc. But you need to select the storage option. Right, tap on the storage, and then tap on the clear data and clear cache. Once you do the clear data, clear cache, after this it can be fixed, and your Snapchat will be working start now after that. And there is second way to fix this issue. Open the Play Store and App Store, go the Snapchat app, and update the Snapchat if this is not updated in your mobile phone. So these are the way, so you can easily fix the Snapchat is not working issue. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please subscribe for more videos, for more helpful such kind of videos, which is help in your future tech related content. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.